Hey guys, if you've been looking for a larger yard, this is one of the homes that has it. I am standing inside of 113 Nantucket in the Meadowcreek subdivision. As I said, it has one of the larger yards, one of the biggest ones that you can find in the subdivision as a whole. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,624 square foot home. And if I repeated myself anywhere there, forgive me, but do call me. Call me to see this listing. I'm pretty excited about it, and my number is 361-212-1109.